Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Hubspot CRM with Monday.com CRM. The first thing I'm going to compare our pricing plans, and then I'm going to compare the features, like what you're going to actually get in Monday and what you're going to get in Hubspot. So in Monday.com, you don't have a free account. In Hubspot, you have a free account, so that's like huge advantage to Hubspot. In Monday.com, you have only free trial, and you can pay monthly or annually. And you need to have minimal free seats here. Also, that's like $10 a month, $12 a month, $20 a month. And you see right here that you can try it out. Calendar view, guest access, automations. You can really choose which one you want. In Hubspot, when you would come here to the free CRM, you got free CRM tools. You got contact management, website activity, companies, deals, tasks, insight, Gmail, Outlook integration, prospects, support for fields, ticketing, forms, ad management, plenty of stuff with the email templates, even documents, calling, meeting schedule, messenger integration, custom properties. So even with the free CRM tool, you can have a lot of stuff covered. But then you would come here to the products and plans, and you can click on CRM sales, and you can pay monthly, free tools plus deal pipeline, simple automation, custom properties, connect with prospects on their terms, calling, meeting scheduling, live chat, track, integrate, improve, goals, reporting dashboard. And even start at the two paid users, see right here, and €46 per month. You can see right here that the Hubspot is much more expensive comparing to the Monday.com. Even the Pro version is, when you get a per seat, okay, but it's more expensive. And even the Professional, look at this, €460. I would recommend definitely going with the Hubspot if you want to cover everything from marketing, customer service, and CMS, but just be careful because they are really expensive. They are for a huge organization, and if I would have a startup, I would definitely go with a free tool on the start. Like if you should choose Hubspot, this is what you should do. Choose a free CRM on Hubspot, and then go upgrade for the starter, and only if you could generate a lot of revenue, then go on Professional. Paying €460 a month, that's a huge expense. But again, if you're gonna use these tools and features, it's worth it. Now let's go how it actually feels to use it. This is when the fun starts, right? So in Monday.com, I simply go plus here, choose from template, see more templates, and I'm going to add sales CRM. And you can choose if it's real estate CRM, sales case studies, post-sales project, the sales CRM here, or simple CRM. I'm going to use the sales one, use. And what is really important, guys, Monday.com is really great for project management. And the CRM version is just like extension for everything. It's not something that you should use directly. I would recommend, if you're going to use a CRM tool, use it combined with a project management tool. That's just my recommendation. You can make it private, shareable, or main. Let's create a board here. And when you're going to be here, you see right here, you can simply add leads here. And now I can add a lead number 4. Now I can add a comment, update. I can add activity log to my lead. Then I got to see the sales rep that I can simply add to the lead. I can change the stage here, a word clock, the time zone, last contacted, next contact, and these are all the text fields. Deal size, close probability, forecast value, priority, phone, location, industry. But you can actually simply add more columns here that you can, like, I don't know, progress tracking, vote, last updated, and you can manage it as much as you want. It's a project management list view combined with a CRM tool. You can also add more views here as a chart, have it as a Kanban style, main table. You can add unassigned leads and really play around it. But on Hubspot, when I come here, first I see the contacts here. I can simply create a contact, and now email, first name, and now contact owner, job title, phone number, life cycle stage, opportunity customer. Even in this way, like the HubSpot is much better comparing to, because you don't have this in Monday.com. Opportunity customer, evangelist, other, lead status, new, open, in progress, open deal, unqualified, attempted to contact, bad timing. Here I have stage 2 that I can choose, and you can edit the labels, but you can do it right now. I can cancel. Then I can simply click on my contact, and look how complex it is comparing to Monday.com. So you see it right here. If you want like really simple CRM, Monday.com is okay-ish. But if you want something more like complex, I would go definitely with HubSpot. Email, last name, phone number, last connected, note, email, call, log, task, meet. Then you're gonna see the activity, what was happening, notes about it, emails, calls, tasks, meetings, company, deals, tickets. You can also add it right here, list membership playbooks. You can also see the companies here, and you can see the activity feed. And you can create a new company. Then you can go to conversations and go to inbox and connect your first channel and start bringing conversations to your inbox with a Facebook Messenger, forms, chat, email. So you can get actual leads, let's say with, I don't know, not ClickBank, but ClickFunnels, and you will get the chat here. Then for marketing, you can also add emails here, but you're gonna have the HubSpot logo here. And this is the same thing, like when you would go to the free tools, you see here that you can choose and use the free email marketing tools directly with your CRM tools. And that's just like damn great, right? And I like it. Also, what you can do is to combine with the service. With automations, this is like you need to pay for it. And then you have like sales here for deals. This is something you don't really have and can't really make it that complex with Monday.com. I can simply create a deal. So deal name, pipeline, and then deal stage, qualified to buy, presentation schedule, amount, let's go like this, 10,000 euro, close date, deal owner, deal type, new business, SSI deal with. Let's create. And voila, here we got it. So when I would go again to sales and deals, I can see the presentation schedule. I see all the options. I'm going to click on it. And now look at this. Amount, company, tickets. I can add tickets to it, attachments, line item, quotes, literally everything. So as you can see right now, it's much more complex, but again, it's different. If you want to use also project management and you don't have your own, you can go with Monday.com, but you need to be ready to start paying. On the other hand, on HubSpot, it's enough to do just with CRM, and you get also email marketing with it. You can go with the service and tickets here, and it's going to be all right. So which one is going to win this battle between Monday.com and HubSpot? They're both good, but I think I would go with the HubSpot if you're looking only for free CRM. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.